Hello, Scalyby223 here, and welcome back to another episode of Banjo, Kazooie, Nuts and Bolts. In this episode, I promised that I would go against Grunty in the final mission, or have my first attempt. So, that's what I'm going to do. If I don't do it this episode, I'll hopefully do it in the next. But I guess all we can do is try. And I gotta say, this is the best placement that I've had my webcam at the moment. Because all the other ones, they're a little bit wonky, but I've managed to get it done properly, which is good. I also did a couple of other videos for this channel, so I would say go and check them out, because one is Batman Arkham Origins Part 2 and another is an information video, me telling you about the third channel. Yes, the third channel. But just go check it out. And well, let's just get on with this. So we basically need to create a vehicle that can fly, that can travel on water and on land, and I know just how to do one of those. So we're going to get into it. So we're going to have a seat, then engines. We're going to go for 2 medium engines. Yep, 2 medium engines. 1 small one slapped onto it, and then now we need some fuel. So let's grab some large ones. We'll have 2 large fuels. Wait. 3 large fuels. Yep. Now we need a body. Slap the body around the entire thing. There we go. We will need some wheels, so we're going to have some high grip wheels. Let's slap some high grip wheels onto it. There we go. What else? What else do I need? I need flying floats. We need some propellers. So I need that's what I can get. We need some wings as well. We need some foldies. Some foldy boldies. We're having 2. Yep, 2. Now I need some ammo. A lot of it. Some large ones would be nice. Well, there you go, that's all the ammo I can have. Now we need some. Let's do floaters. We need some of them. We definitely need some of them famous floaters right there. Is that enough to make it float? Is that enough? No. We'll put 2 here as well. There you go. Now we also need some weapon uses, clockwork. Yes, that is what I was going to grab. But I also need a torpedo. That's torpedoes now. And some eggs. possibly. Should we put some egg guns on? 1, 2, 3. There you go, 3 egg guns. And now what we have to test is if it actually works. So here we go. So we know it can fly, and we know it can travel on land. So now we need to make sure that it can travel on water. So, and it can also travel on water. So it can do all 3 things, which is good. And it can also shoot torpedoes and all that good stuff. So this vehicle will be the vehicle that we use to try and beat Grunty with. If we do beat Grunty in this video, I'll be happy. If we don't, we'll try and beat Grunty in the next episode hopefully. This is episode 4 and I'm close to completing the game. Oh! Oh, I need some lasers! Oh yeah, I've got some clockwork whiz, so I can just keep slamming stuff at her. I'm going to fly because I feel more, out of all of them, I feel more comfortably flying. Take some! Take some! We also have to do these challenges as fast as possible because that broomstick one is going to be hard. Oh! Oh! We basically need to do it so a chair falls down. Get her! Get her, my torpedo babies! We can defeat her together. Ho ho! Here we go! Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? There she is! Took another torpedo to the face! I think it would have helped if I had some lasers on me, but you know what? Meh. Meh. Where is she? Where is she? She ain't escaping death! She shall be defeated. It doesn't usually take me this long. Usually I'm done by now. We'll go round the other way. Because I can fly. She can. She's gone underwater. Oh, no, she's... Oh, I nearly went into that wall. Is she at the pirate ship one? Yeah, she is. So I can just go over there. I'll drive over there carefully. Hey, Grunty! Hold up. Boom! I can just constantly shoot rockets at you. So, yeah, that feels good. Ugh! Dead yet? Dead yet? Ugh! Come on. Oh god! Get her! Did I lose my torpedo? I think I did. I guess we can keep shooting her with our egg cannons that we have at our disposal. Hopefully this is enough to knock her out. You can hear my button mashing as I furiously do this. Ugh! If we got on land, she'd be screwed. No! Come on! Come on! Doesn't usually take this long. Wait, so why isn't... I've got the torpedo on me. So why ain't it working? Ugh! So the clockwork whiz just acts on its own, it shoots on its own. So I just basically need to keep shooting her till she falls out, which she can't really do much because she ain't in the best position. My car's quite good, and plus I can still fix my car. So she is going to get wrecked. Let's button mash this. Here we go. 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 Oh, this is hurting my arm just doing it. Ow, and my fingers and everything. Ah, ha, ha. Come on. Yeah, we got her out. We got her out. Now for that. I know exactly what to do. Where is she? Get out of my way, brah. Where is she? Ow! Oh, you wanna go, mate? You wanna go, mate? You wanna go, mate? I know where you are. I know where you are. You're screwed now. You're screwed now. Now was the... I think I'm shooting her. Yeah, I think I'm shooting her. I don't know. Oh, there she is. It's super hard to see her. Never! I have two as well. No! The tyre! I need the tyre! There you go. Come on. Come on. Why isn't she dying? Can I not destroy her? Wow, she's dead! No, my god, no. Where's my wheels? Is there one missing? Oh, wow! Is that what I'm missing? What am I missing? Oh, well. Oh, where is she? Grunty! There's no escaping! Pew pew pew! Take some of this! Take some of this! Just slap back on, we'll go around. Hopefully she misses me. I see ya, Grunty. I see ya. I see ya! Doesn't stop me from killing you! Here you go. Here you go, here you go, here little... Oh my god, why are you... She is surprisingly good at building vehicles though. None of my vehicles can do that. None of us can go invisible. Oh, she's got a clockwork whiz as well, which doesn't help. Come on! We are slowly but painfully dying. Ow. I will not be stopped. Whoa! Is she glitched? Is she glitched? Is she glitched? No, you don't! I can repair, you can't. This is taking ages. This is taking ages. We're gonna quit the challenge. We're gonna add some lasers onto this. So instead of the egg cannons, we're gonna get rid of those and add the lasers onto them, because the lasers do quite good at stuff like that. So we'll get rid of these. And then we just need some lasers. Where are the weapons? Lasers. Here you go, lasers. Some big bad beauties. There you go. So now we're equipped with lasers, so we should be able to take her out a little bit quickly, because the lasers are overpowered, but they use quite a lot of ammo. But we'll risk that to take her down. I'll sit here. I'll sit here. My clockwork whiz can do some of the work. Then when you come round, I'll shoot ya! Down you go! Whoa! Let's get in the air, because I feel much safer in the air, and she can't get me while I'm up here. Whoa! Mate, just give up! Just give up! Give up now! There you go! Yeah! See, that took only like 30 seconds. Let's go! We should, instead of... Actually, now we'll quickly later. Hello? Grunty? Ow, get off. Get off. I don't appreciate that. You're going to die, Grunty. I'm going to take you out, because I have lasers now. I have one laser still. It doesn't stop me from shooting you. Oh my god, we nearly took her out already. We have our other laser back. This is good. And we took her out. Wow. Okay, this is the bit that we got onto last time. My whiz can tell me how safe. Just get off. Just don't bother. Just get off. I don't like those robots. Oh my god! I see ya. I see you now. Yes! I think we can do the most damage when she is not in cloak mode. Yeah, no! No, come on! Come on, Clockwork Whiz. She can't shoot anything at me, but I can shoot at her. And she's out! It's the tank next. Yeah, we can take her out, no problem. Let's go. Some Clockwork Wizards for you. Come around here. Pew! Out the way. Now we just shoot at her, because it's no problem. She can shoot fire, but my lasers are stronger. And I can repair myself at the same time, so yeah, that was pretty quick. Now for the final battle. We need to be in the air because she's in the air, so now we're both going to be having the final battle in the air. Now hopefully I can take her. Where is she? Ah! I'm going to really need that. I don't appreciate that, bruh. I've still got my clockwork. So if I get shot out the sky, I'm basically screwed. Boom! No! Get in the air! No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. I only equip the small ones because they'd be harder to shoot with. Crud. Really doesn't help that she has a clockwork with as well. What are we doing? What are you doing? Just stay in the sky, please. Oh, balls. Oh, come on. Come on now. Shoot her some more. Shoot her, yes. Wreck her. We have all this time. Let's wreck her. My lasers, I think, have been shot out. As long as we stay behind her, I think she won't be able to attack us with her lasers. No. All I have left is my torpedoes. So those will be your end. Hutta! Oh god! But it's very, it looks very good though. I like how she shaped it in the form of a broomstick. Because she's a witch and all. I don't like her though, I like the broomstick though. So I'm gonna mainly do more damage to her than the broomstick. Oh my god! Oh my god. You're flying about the place. You really want some of this, don't you? Come on now. Okay, she's gonna shoot us with her lasers. This is gonna hurt. We dodge. She keeps dodging me. Plus we have the jiggy time. If we get it in the jiggy time, then that's good. If we don't, well, there's no point in doing it. Really? If I could knock her wing off. Yes! We've knocked her wing off! She's only being held up by those jet things. Apart from that, we have the advantage. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Shoot her! Shoot her! Yes! We have beaten the game. I did not think we would do that. We have just beat the game, and I did not think we would be able to do that. So let's just see this little cutscene. Yeah, we're gonna let you have it. It's log. I don't think that will be necessary, Banjo. Why not scarred mouth? What? Because you've just won the game. Yeah, I have. Now I lost a fail to see a 3-time loser. I cannot be. Oh, but you are farewell. You have baked. Now if you two wouldn't mind, smarten yourself up. I'll see you later. Collect your prize. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. I never thought I'd beat it in this episode. Banjo's wearing a suit. Kazooie's wearing a tie. Looking pretty good. Yeah, of course. Trophy time. Yeah, of course you would have said something like that. By the video game powers invested in myself, I hereby declare Banjo to be the rightful owner of Spiral Mountain for now and evermore. Thanks, Mr. Log. Can I have my old abilities back? If this game isn't successful, we might need them for... Good point, although you may never get another game. I believe somebody has something to show you. What? Doesn't it look absolutely wonderful? What the... What's very nice, Jolly, isn't it, Kazooi? Yeah, thanks, Jolly. He's painted the house pink. Of course, I have the best gift for you. It's just a little something I made earlier. Ooh. That looks so cool. I want to try that. Please. Please, can I have that? Wow, can't wait to try that out. I've seen worse. Hey, but what did you do with old logo dress? Let's take a look, shall we? Oh, this is gonna be funny. Log's video game factory. She's working for us in the factory. Get wrecked. How you can give me a brush next? Hurry up, I'm sure everybody's waiting for that one. Plenty of milk for me. Wink, wink bun. Oh, I can't read that. Leaving me here was a big mistake. Just wait. The devious game I make. Okay, so she locks a grunt bag inside a video game factory to work for a century. But that is the end of the game, and also the end of the series, unfortunately, even though this is just episode 4. The reason being is because I've been playing it quite a lot doing it. I mean, I might possibly do a couple more videos just to do some of the side quests that need to be done, because there are a couple of things that need to be done here. A big exclamation mark your own building means that your vehicle is not properly connected to the machine. Yeah, I know, I should know by now. So, how do you feel? Yeah, how do you feel? After some deep consideration, I'll treat this class as a free vacation. Oh wow, you let her back here. Oh well. Technically, yeah, I have a jiggy up there, so maybe it'll unlock me some stuff. Hoodwink. Apparently I've been made the owner of Spiral Mountain. Let's grab my jiggy reward. So wait, technically Kazooi has his ability in it back. Whee! Boom! Oh, what? We've managed to get 82 jiggies up to now. That is impressive, I've got to say. So I'm going to go somewhere to maybe possibly test this new vehicle out. How about we quickly go somewhere to test the vehicle out, then... Wait, I didn't get the horn. I still need the horn. Because I can't... Because with that I can beat them ghosts off them boxes. So I can get more stuff. Oh well. Foreign hole! Foreign hole! Boom! So we're just gonna jump into Jerusalem, see if we can possibly test out that new vehicle that Larg gave to us as a little treat for beating the game. And well, yeah. And then that's it, because I see that today's episode has gone a little bit longer than usual, but you know what, it's Christmas, why not? Now, I like to change vehicle, I like to see log. I'm guessing it's here? I think. Log banjo. This is the vehicle that he's given me. Oh wait, it's his face. It's his face. Whee! Boom! Oh no. It is Banjo's face. Oh, absolutely. So yeah, this is the car that you unlock when you beat the game. Oh yeah. So I'm going to end today's episode here, so I hope you enjoyed it, and all I can say now is goodbye.